Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konrad ke sangma habam tip halor ke Jinglyngshop jong ke Mariang ha ke Santarik ujumang arjar arpsau ha ki hinyo Tylli distrik hapok ke Jylla ke Jingbom jong pria ke Jingjur jong ke ler baru slap kalawan ra ye ke Jingjulor jong ke Yinggisem ha ke Lenggi distrik hadin ke Jinglum ye jing tip lalap Haduh sauspa praplai Tylli kilong ying jong ki arp khandai Tylli Shillong ki bakentu bro ya ki ar Tylli Skul bat kawai ke Ingmane kila julor Menteri Rangba ulong bahagi ni snem ki balalen ka jingirap ka khamslem ban Bhoi namar ki babon ki jingbom la ban biang hendai hekane ka snem ka bamanta lala ban le kham kloi khnang bakilanot kin yo ye ki jingirap kham kloi nak sarkar lala ro ban Bhoi ye ki jingirap na do ki marbam bat ki tin sopyeng bat kat kum ki jingdon kam jong kilanon.
Yesterday, because of the strong winds and some heavy rainfall in certain parts of the state, there were many houses that got damaged in different districts. About 7 districts were affected and about 400 plus houses were damaged. And immediately I have asked the administration and the departments to provide the relief material to the houses, and the process has started, and different kind of relief materials including CGI sheets also are now being given to the households that were damaged. I would like to mention here that earlier during these kind of situations, the guidelines had only permitted rice and other food items to be distributed on an emergency basis, and different housing materials were not part of this emergency distribution and work. But we have changed the guidelines in the past years, and now the respected deputy commissioners at their own level, without taking any kind of necessary approval from the state authorities, can assess and distribute the CGI sheets at the district level based on their own assessment. This has really streamlined the process now, and the process for housing, which used to take sometimes 6 months to even a year before we could distribute CGI sheets. Now, with the change in the guidelines, which we made in the last couple of years, the deputy commissioners have immediately acted, and today also many houses have already received relief materials, including CGI sheets, and those who have not, within the next 24 to 48 hours maximum, they will receive them. Thank you.